the way out to the financial aid workshop on understanding credit. Let's go check it out.
On Wednesday, March 7th, I attended the financial aid workshop on understanding credit. It was a very informative workshop where we got to ask questions like how long does negative credit follow us, and does it actually hurt your credit score if we look at it? At the beginning, we were given folders which had an interactive packet, a calendar, and a pen. In this workshop, I learned that negative credit follows us up to 7 years, and a bankruptcy can stay up to 10 years. Things that follow us more than 10 years are student loans, judgments, and back taxes. A great way to look at credit is looking at it like our GPA. Instead of being on a 4.0 scale, it's on an 850 scale. Credit can be scary, but if you manage it, you'll be just fine, only using 40% and leaving the other 60% for emergencies only. And lastly, a common asked question that many ask, does it hurt your credit score by looking at it? And the answer is no. You are allowed to look at it once a year. Till next time, West Hills, have an awesome day.